All right, and we're back. I'm gonna make sure this is in a good spot. One sec. All right, perfect. It's in a great spot. It's in a great spot right now, actually. What's going on, you guys? Thank you so much for joining me back on another YouTube video on my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate it. This is my 2006 Nissan 350z Rev Up, and today I'm gonna be going over 5 things that you're gonna eventually need to fix on your 350z. You're probably like, Johnny, why are you holding a book? Well, to look smart, of course, but not actually. So in this book, I've scribbled down 5 things that I know are gonna break on your 350z, and I'm here to let you know about them before it happens to you, just so you can be prepared. You know, I wish someone would have told me that these things were gonna break because I've had to fix them, and some of them I actually haven't fixed yet. So let's get into it. All right, so I'm gonna come in here and pop the hood. This is the first thing we need to discuss. If you don't know anything about Nissan 350zs, this is the first thing that you're gonna wanna know. So, here's the engine bay of the car. Obviously, every Nissan 350z has one of these, but a few of them are special, and you're gonna know why here in a second. If you have a 2005 or a 2006, you might have the Rev Up 350z model, which basically means you got a little bit more horsepower. The torque numbers are a little different as well. We have variable valve timing on the intake side now. But one thing, I'm gonna put this down. But one thing you definitely get with the Nissan 350z Rev Up is that the piston rings don't quite seal the pistons all the way, obviously. So you're gonna get a little bit of oil, you know, blowing through that. And so you're gonna burn oil faster than most cars. As long as you know that, you'll be totally fine. It really hasn't been a big issue for me. The best thing about this is that if you actually go through 2 quarts of oil every 1,000 miles, and if you do the math, that is a lot of oil. But if you go through 2 quarts of oil every 1,000 miles, Nissan actually has a warranty. They will replace the entire engine in your car. I don't know how long that warranty goes for, but I guess you're supposed to get it repeatedly checked, and if it, you know, turns out that you're burning that much oil, they'll replace the engine for you. Unfortunately, mine burns about 1 quart every 1,000 miles, so I don't make the cut, which I guess is good and bad. I haven't decided yet, but that's one thing you're definitely going to want to know that's going to need to be fixed, or it's not really a fix for it besides a new engine and stuff. But as long as you know about it, you can be wary that you need to put oil in this car, and you should be fine. So yeah, on to the next one. All right, now we open the back. One second. Oh wait, that's right. I can do it from the key fob. So I'm gonna put this down, carry that the whole video probably. All right, so here we are. You might have to smack that up there a few times, but you know. So basically number 2 is you're gonna having to be replacing these hydraulic struts, you know, very soon if you haven't yet. Obviously I haven't yet, and look at this, like, you see this? It's not supposed to be this difficult. If you get it all the way up there, it's fine. So I've Googled the price. I have to get them fixed. Z1 Motorsports has them for, I think, $70 on there, which is, I think, the best deal you can get. Super easy install. It's like 5 or 6 bolts and then you're done. Obviously, I need to take my own advice and do it, but you know, I'll get around to doing that. So that's another thing you're gonna have to fix on your Nissan 350z. You know, while we're back here, I'm gonna do this one next. So put this down there. Okay, so watch me open this. Watch me open this thing. All right, it's closed, totally good, closed, sealed. Okay, I'm gonna push this button on the key. It barely opens. It does not even move. And then you can't get your fingers in there, and it relatches. I don't know if you'd notice on your car, if you have a 350, but you'll notice it'll like relatch a second time. I think it's a safety thing. You have like literally 1 second to pull it up before it does this secondary latch thing. So you have to redo the button and you have like 1 second to pull it up, or it'll do like a secondary latch. But to fix this, it's actually not that hard at all. Basically this thing, see if we can get focus. All right, so basically this is the spring that, you know, throws the hatch open right when you push the button, and these go out. I've seen a guy on YouTube, he put some pennies in here, and I guess it worked actually really well. I haven't done that. The replacement springs for this car are about $35 each, which is kind of, you know, a little more than you probably want to pay for something like this. It hasn't been a huge, you know, big deal for me. This one is straight up broken. This one on the driver's side is literally bent. So that's definitely doesn't work. So easy fix, kind of an expensive fix for what it is, but you know, they'll eventually go out on your 350z as well. All right, so we have 2 more things to cover. I'm gonna close this because nothing else is back here, thank God. All right, so the 4th thing that's gonna break on your Nissan 350z, again, none of these are in order, but this is the thing that's gonna probably break on your car because it's broken on mine and I haven't gotten it fixed yet. The driver's side is okay, but the passenger side window motor is actually going out. And the way you know this is happening is because your window will do this. Obviously, if you just push the button, they have auto roll, but it does this. Wait for it. That's basically the signal that you need to replace your window motor soon. I think they're like 50 bucks a piece online, which really isn't terrible, but you know, it's just something you'll have to do and something to, you know, put into your budget when you're looking to get one of these cars. So really nothing big though. Obviously you can't live with the window, you know, halfway down like this. I noticed that if you just hold it until it's all the way up like that, it'll eventually stay. So, you know, life hacks. All right. So last but not least, the fifth thing, it doesn't apply to my car, doesn't apply to any 350Z between 2003 and 2006, or the 2008 one actually, but just the 2007 car had an issue with the alarm, or the alarm would randomly sound, you know, in the middle of the night and wake you up and stuff. You know, it would just randomly go off. Luckily, this is under warranty and the dealer will totally fix this for you for free. So, you know, it's really nothing big, but I just wanted to let you guys know that if you do find an 07, this might be an issue you could come across, and luckily it's fixed under dealer warranty. So that's amazing. I've held this book in my hand the whole video now. I feel like it would only be right to end this video with this book in my hand. So anyways, I hope you guys learned something. That's basically, you know, majority of the things that are probably gonna break on your Nissan 350Z. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button. It really does help me out in the algorithm. If you have any questions about the car, I'll reply to everyone. Go ahead and drop them down below. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do so. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of quarantine, and I need your guys' help to do that. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this video. I will see you in the next one. Peace out. That wasn't as cool as I thought it was gonna be. Peace. Lastly, that right there, that's condensation from the AC. You know, thumbnail purposes, there's nothing actually wrong with the car, you guys. Just saying.